Are you having a problem where you can't see comments on your TikTok videos? If you've accidentally disabled comments on TikTok, then people can't leave a comment on your videos, which can lower your reach and engagement. But let's see how to fix that problem and enable the comments once again. The steps are the same for both iPhone and Android devices. And let's start by opening our TikTok app and head over to your Profile section. After that, we'll have to open our settings page, so tap the three horizontal lines here. Now click on Settings and Privacy. The option which we're looking for is located in the Privacy section. Here is the Comments button, so let's tap on it to open it. And then Allow Comments From. If you have a public account, you'll see the Everyone option, which we're going to select. The comments will now be enabled for our videos, and everyone on TikTok will be able to comment, which can boost our engagement and reach. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.